Hi friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve your Google Meet problems. To know how to fix or how to solve your Google Meet problems, you should just go to settings. After that we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you will enter to the window of Google Meet and you click in this page. After that, in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. After that we click clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your phone. You can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.